Hello guys, welcome to Shape Type So how to make or create typography logo in Photoshop by using convert to shape. There you can see convert to shape. What type? It means you can change your typography into shape. Let's write something. Click here, right here, Photoshop, Control A, change the size. Let's see, reject again, write again, Photoshop, select all. First change the color into black, change the font style like this. Okay, so now change the size. Okay, but you can't change the PHT shape. So when you go to type, when you change to convert to shape, and now you can control by using direct selection. Direct selection what? Direct selection the points. Like select the H, move it up, select these 2 points, move it down, select this 2 point of the T, move up, and select this 2 point, move down, select these 2 T points, move up. And now you can see the difference. So if you need to add or more, like what? Select the rectangle, zoom out, create a rectangle, change your rectangle color and select move it behind of the text. Hold shift, select both, go back to layer, there combine shift, subtract, and now you can see your title looks like a skull. It means when you move on another image you can see behind of Photoshop. Like that, select control. There you can see. So guys, sometimes you can make your own favorite typography design. Like that, set here, click here, and one click here. Write something like R, change the size of the R, and if you need to make bold, go to bold. Let's see. Let's go to Arial, select R, apply and move. Set here, change the size. Good. Go back to type, convert to shape, and select these 2 R point, sit here, and this point, sit here. Select both shape, the R and the ellipse. Go back to layer, go to combine, subtract. And now there is created a simple typography logo design. Let's change the color. Let's say the properties, select the pen tool, change to shape, and now change the color. Okay, let's move the logo. So here, delete this one, hold Alt key, change the size, set right there. If you need to change the color, because this is a vector design, in one click you can change the shape or logo typography style in Adobe Photoshop. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about convert to shape type style to create logo icon design.